Hello everybody, David Essery here, and I know I'm not who you're expecting to see, but our beloved Tim Wild is currently on his way out to Finland for an incredible workshop this weekend. And he never likes to leave you guys without a video, so he asked me to step in once again to share something with you this morning, and as always, I'm honoured to be here. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. So, I wanted to talk today a little bit about, it seems like a little bit of a 3D subject, but the financial systems on planet Earth. And it's actually something that Tim and I have been chatting about this week because we've noticed this, both of us in the field. So it seemed like a perfect topic to talk about today. But Tim and I touched on this in the video we did together last week when he was talking about the kind of collapse of the astral layers that were happening around the solstice in December. And, you know, what Tim was saying at the time, there is like the astral fields basically where there's lots and lots of entities, live lots of darker, lower dense energies. And it's basically been destroyed by the teams of light. They're burning it all out, transmuting it, raising its vibration and clearing it, which is an incredible thing, you know, and that shifts the planet, the energy of planet Earth massively just by that taking place. But that has quite an interesting effect on what we see within kind of the matrix around us. Because for so long, you know, for 10,000 years in fact, on planet Earth, the system has been ruled by a small set of powerful people, primarily because they have a lot of money. And, you know, these weren't just, you know, average Joes that ran a successful business and developed a lot of power. These were Atlanteans that managed to retain basically their power, have full knowledge of spiritual law and exactly how to use it. And they have been drawing on the energy from the astral, on darker energies essentially to fuel their power, basically using dark magic for financial gain, for power, for whatever their agenda has been during this time. And as Tim said last week, essentially, the destruction of the astral means that they've lost their fuel. Their kind of engine for their whole system has been burnt away. It's like an oil field going up, you know, it's all just completely gone. But of course, they've been controlling this planet, they've been controlling the financial system for the planet, etc., etc. That means the energy that has been fueling the financial system for planet Earth has essentially been dark magic. Now, that all going completely shifts the energy of finance, of money on planet Earth. It dissolves that negative vibration to it, or at least gives it the potential to. And it also leaves it a little bit lacking energy, shall we say, or lacking, you know, some momentum. That's the word I'm looking for, some momentum. And that's something that Tim and I have both noticed in the field, that collectively this month, there seems to be kind of an energy of lack about for lots and lots of people. Of course, you know, it's also just after the holiday period, which is never, you know, the most abundant time for a lot of people. But this is different. This is something going on with the energy. And that actually is a very positive thing, because we have an opportunity to essentially refuel this system with light. You know, both Tim and I have both been saying for quite some time now that the current system is not going to collapse. It's about a case of rebuilding it from the inside out by pouring positive energy into it. And that's exactly the opportunity that we have now to fill the energy of money essentially on planet Earth with light, with love, with truth. Because the thing is, whenever anything is being given enough attention, it takes on a life of its own. This is what thought forms are. You know, we all create negative thought forms all the time by focusing our intent on our stress or our worries. And it actually creates like a dark cloud, you know, a physical manifestation or an energetic manifestation of that thing, with everybody's thoughts, feelings and everything poured into it. Of course, money on planet Earth has been such a big thing for 10,000 years. It's absolutely full of energy that people have been pumping into it. It's got its own life, it's its own living, breathing thing. And of course, now it's starving for food. So we've got an opportunity to fuel this energy source with, as I say, light, love, and truth, and then turn it into something positive. And, as we say, that's what this whole ascension process is about, is turning these things on their head, rebuilding them, and making them something that works for the people in unity, for everyone. Because the truth is, Saint Germain says this, there is no... Supply and demand is massively understood on this planet because supply is infinite. There is no reason why there isn't enough for everybody to have all of their needs met on this planet. It's just a case of understanding that and issuing the demand to send it to the right place. The supply part is the easy bit, not the demand part. So I know this is kind of chatty talky day today on Friday for Tim, but I want to throw in a meditation if that's all right with you guys. I figure we've got a large group of people here. We've got an opportunity to pump some positive energy into the thought form for financial system on planet Earth, fill it with light and love, and see if we can transmute it, put in those ideas of sharing, making sure that everyone is looked after, and create something positive for it. So if you feel like joining me, we're just going to do this very quickly now. We're just going to set our intent and we'll see what happens. So when you're ready, just close your eyes now. Take a deep breath. And bring your attention to your heart. As you continue breathing in, set your intent to draw light and love from the universe, raising your vibration with each in-breath. And as you exhale, just allowing any lower vibrations to melt away. Just using our breath and our intent to raise our vibration now. With each in-breath, just focus on your heart chakra getting bigger and bigger, expanding out. First, to feel your shoulders. This beautiful, soft pink, white and golden vortex of energy. And as you continue breathing, expanding further till it reaches up just above your head and down to your waist. Still continuing on your breathing until this energy is completely surrounding you. You are wrapped in a bubble of your beautiful heart light. Just feel the love that flows from you right now. And just bring your attention to the threefold flame that burns within the very center of your heart. The blue, pink and golden flames. The love of God, the wisdom of God and the strength of God. Just allow this energy to fill you up, filling you with love, wisdom, strength, truth. And know that this is the light that burns into every single soul on planet Earth. We are all the same. And with your heart open and those thoughts of unity in your mind, let's bring our attention now to the energetic form, the construct of the financial systems of planet Earth. You may see this as a big ball of swirling energy. It wraps around our entire planet like a veil. How does it appear to you? To me, I'm seeing like a dark storm raging, this thick, dense, heavy energy. And let us now set our intent to raise its frequency, to cleanse and to purify it. We'll start this by calling upon the Christ light. Beautiful high frequency light flowing from the center of the universe. Make yourself an anchor for it. Cool the light down, allowing it to flow down your antakrana bridge, through all your chakras, through the crown at the top of your head, completely filling you, merging with the beautiful light of your expanded heart, and then flowing outwards to fill your spiritual field. This could expand up to 20 miles or 32 kilometers all around you. So you become a beautiful anchor point to the Christ light here on earth. And you're not alone, there's many of us doing this all around the planet right now. And then all of us united, what we're going to do is we're going to send out a wave of this incredible energy to spread out from us, and it's going to go all the way around, reaching up into the atmosphere, all of these energies merging together and filling this field with golden Christ light, filling the construct of the financial systems of Earth. And set your intent for your heart, the beat of your heart, to pulse this beautiful Christ light outwards. With each beat of your heart, sending this beautiful high frequency energy out and into this construct surrounding our planet, spreading beautiful Christ light far and wide. The earth may be big, but we are powerful. We can spread this light far and wide. See this energy filling this field now. And see all of those others of us around the planet doing the same. Spreading their light, spreading the Christ light, completely filling this field. See it dissolving the blackness, breaking down this sticky residue, clearing through it. Perhaps if you do see it as a storm, see the clouds settling, turning to gentle white fluffy clouds. See peace filling this. You can spread this energy around the whole planet. And now let's add our intent to it, positive intent for what we wish to see in the financial systems in the future. Allow that love, wisdom and truth from your heart to flow with each pulse, being spread out to fill it. See visions of unity being spread all around the planet. Create a vision of a world without lack, where everyone is provided for, There is no need for poverty, for homelessness, for starvation. Everybody has food. Everybody has clean water. Everybody has access to medical support. Everything they need. Everybody's needs are met. And because of it, the people are happy. There is no fear. There's no stress. Just love, light, and truth. And when you're ready, if you wish to, you can stop pulsating that energy now. You can come back and do it another time if you wish. Or you can set your intent to continue doing it for a set amount of time. Just go with what feels right for you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you, everyone. That was beautiful. As a group, we are so powerful. And doing exercises like this together is such an incredible opportunity. So thank you and sharing this with me. So for those of us on a personal level, because financial abundance is such a thing for so many people. And the truth is that we are all deserving to be abundant. Abundance is your God-given right. There's no reason that anyone should be lacking. And working to manifest abundance in your life is a very positive thing, something well worth doing. And actually, the new energy that we're moving into is one that's going to be very, very supportive of us. We are able to manifest an incredibly fast rate. Set your intents, hold the vision, hold it in the light. Do as we've done today, come back to your hearts, expand that out, and set your vision of what you wish to create for you, and do it with love. As this is the energy that supports it now. This is the energy that we've got in abundance since going through this incredible shift after the solstice. The planet is vibrating at such an incredible frequency now. Love and light is abundant. We just got to tune into it and use it, work with the laws of the universe as we know them, and manifest, change your life. I actually did a workshop all about that, about manifesting your perfect year last week. It's where it's setting our intent, where we were creating that vision. It's such a powerful thing, and it's a great time to do it now at the beginning of the year. Set your intent for what you want for this year. And thank you so much for joining me here today. If you've enjoyed this, please feel free to check out my channel. I'll put the details down below. Come like and subscribe. I share videos every single week on all sorts of stuff. I really love to have you there. So I just wanted to give a quick shout out. Tim and I are, of course, running our workshop series starting on February 1st, the Soul Reclamation Pathway, where we are going to be connecting with our monad. We are going to be looking into where we come from, why we're here, what's our soul path, what we need to do to step into that, and really anchoring our light at the highest level. It's time now. The training wheels are off and it's time to get on with our path. So it's going to be a really incredible series led by, of course, the incredible Melchizedek. If you fancy joining for that, I will pop the link down below. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me. It's always such an honour to be here in Tim's absence, and of course when he's here as well. Tim, thank you so much for allowing me to do this today. It's an honour as always. And sending you all so much love. Can't wait to see you again soon. Bye-bye.